Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Interactive Investor SIPP Review My Usage Experience. Interactive Investor SIPP Review My Usage Experience offers a self-service tool to analyze and review your self-invested personal pension SIPP with Interactive Investor. It's aimed at existing Interactive Investor SIPP customers who want a clearer picture of their pension performance and holdings. Key features appear to include performance reporting, asset allocation analysis, and potentially tax implication summaries, though the exact details are best found on their website. Their website provides details on the specific features and functionality of the review tool. It emphasizes ease of access for existing customers, with a focus on clear, concise reporting. While specific pricing isn't explicitly detailed on their website, it's implied to be included as part of the standard SIPP service, eliminating hidden fees and unnecessary contracts. Availability is limited to Interactive Investor SIPP holders. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Interactive Investor SIPP Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was straightforward. Since I'm already an Interactive Investor customer, accessing the review tool was simply a matter of logging into my account and navigating to the appropriate section. The interface was clean and intuitive. I particularly liked the way they presented my asset allocation as a simple pie chart, making it easy to understand my investment spread. The performance reports were comprehensive, providing detailed breakdowns of my returns over various time periods. I found the tool very reliable and the reports generated quickly. I had a quick question about interpreting one of the tax-related sections and their support team responded within 2 days via email, which was excellent. I was really impressed by how quickly I could get a clear picture of my SIPP's performance. One minor drawback was that the tool lacked interactive elements. I would have liked to be able to explore what-if scenarios based on different contribution levels. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Interactive Investor SIPP Review My Usage Experience. It provides a valuable service for anyone wanting to better understand their SIPP. That's my overview of Interactive Investor SIPP Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.